Okay, welcome back again. Today we will discuss the question under etymology again. The word arthropoda is derived from. Okay, so arthropoda, most of us will also miss this the meaning of arthropoda and will be confused because last examination during the LEA, I think lumabas yung arthropoda na topic. Okay, so let's discuss. So we will dig deeper on the term arthropoda. So arthropoda came from two words, arthro, and poda or podus. Okay. So arthro means joints, and poda meaning legs. Okay. Okay. Based on the meaning of the arthro and poda, we can already determine the correct answer actually. Uh, Maybe we can get confused because wings, antenna, and segmented body and jointed legs is also a characteristic of arthropoda. Okay? But the question is itself is only focusing on where did arthropoda or where did the arthropoda term came from. Okay? So the answer is letter C, jointed legs. Okay.